What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to my channel. So for today's video, I just wanted to do an updated room tour. It's been so long since my last room tour, so I thought I would just show you guys an updated version. I moved my room around a little bit since the last one, and I got a new bed frame, some new decor, and yeah, so I thought I would show you guys an update. And I hope this gives you guys some good ideas if you're updating your room or changing it around a little bit. So let's get into it. Right now my room is decorated for Christmas, so I have this little hand painting I did of a wreath when I was like 6, but as soon as you walk in, I still have this same shell mirror that I had last time, and I made this myself. I just got the stuff from Hobby Lobby and then glued the shells on. After you walk in, to your left, you'll see my trash can, and then behind the door has all my shoes. Above the trash can, I have my calendar, and then is my dresser. So on top of my dresser, I just have all my skincare products that I like to use and kind of overflowed a little bit. There's a picture of me and my boyfriend from prom, and then my sunglasses, and I put them in a flower pot because I just love this color and I thought that was a cute little idea. Then I have this little vase thing with all my scrunchies in it, and then this just has all the stuff like my brush, leave-in conditioner, scissors, deodorant. Next to that, I have 2 candles, and then my TV and the Xbox underneath. And then I have this mirror on top, which I got at Hobby Lobby as well. And then these little reindeer with Santa Claus I got at Target. And then inside my dresser, I'm not gonna show you because it's a mess in there. And then when you go to the right, I have my makeup stuff. I just have this cute little basket, and then I have a letter board, but I don't know where to put it. So then next to it, I have this makeup bag, which I just got at Target, which I love. And then this little blanket that I used to sit on to do my makeup, and I got that actually at a gas station. And then is my mirror, and I just have some Polaroids on it. And then the mirror is from Home Goods. I really love this mirror. It almost stretches all the way to the top. It's super nice, and I feel like it opens up the room. By the way, my clothes are from Princess Polly, and I'm gonna be doing a haul soon because I got a ton of clothes from there, so stay tuned for that. Anyways, moving on to the right of my mirror, I have this pot with some fake leaves from Target, and then this bamboo stick. And then I just have my window. That's an air purifier, and then I have a little trash can. Then next to that, I have my bedside table, which I just got, and I'm planning on filling this up with a bunch of stickers. But on top of it, I have just the book I'm currently reading, which this is a pretty good book so far, and then just a bunch of little knick-knacky stuff for Christmas. And I got these little gnomes at the dollar store, which I just thought they were so cute, so yeah, I have that. And then I just got this little squishy penguin from Target, and I just thought that was really cute as well. Then to underneath, actually, I have my laptop with my charging cord, and then a bunch of bathing suits, and this is just where I keep all of my bathing suits in that little bin under there. Then to the right of that, I have my bed, and I just got this bed at IKEA, and I am obsessed with it. I just really love this like wood headboard. Is just really cute. And then I wrapped these stars around it to make it look super cute at night. And then above that, I have all my jewelry, and I just got this hanger set from Target. I don't think it's a jewelry hanger set. I think it's more for coat, but it works well for putting all my jewelry on it. And then this pillow is from Target. This is from Target. This I got from a YouTuber, but I'm pretty sure it's from Amazon. And then that's from Build-A-Bear. And then next to that, I have a macrame, and this is from Home Goods as well. And I actually got that super cheap. It was like $12, and it's really big, so I was super excited about that. Then above that, I have a bunch of pictures strung up there, which I think I might take off because it just looks a little cluttered. But I have these magazine cutouts from a O'Neill magazine. I just thought they looked really cute, and I just hung them up with black tape. Then at the end of my bed, I have this bench from Home Goods, and then underneath I just have my Doc Martens, another pair of boots I like, and my slippers. And then these are packages that I have to wrap for Christmas for people. Next to this is my penny board, and that's where I charge my phone. I just didn't know where to put that. And then I still have this light from Target, and it's a pretty good light, but I kind of want a new one. I don't know, I'm kind of getting tired of this light. If you have any good lighting suggestions, suggestions, let me know. And then next to that, I have this blue surfboard, which is actually my friend down the streets, but she didn't have a place to put it, so I just put it in my room. Then is my closet, and that's just my bag that I normally use on a day-to-day basis. And then this bag holds all my computer stuff and my filming stuff, so that's what that is. Then to the right of that, I have this little mirror that has a wood frame, and then 2 little pictures above that. And then my room gets really hot, so I just always have a fan in here. And then this cute little Christmas tree, which I need to get more lights for because I only bought 1 strand and it was way too small. Going back to my closet, I wasn't sure if I was gonna show this because it's a little bit messy, but I'll show you guys anyways. Above here, I just have literally everything that I can't put in my actual room, so I just like throw a bunch of junk up there. Then I have all of my clothes besides the ones in my dresser. These are the ones that are nicer that I wear more. And then over here, I have my yoga mat and a tripod, and then my laundry bin, which is from Walmart. And then I have my school bag and a bunch of other bags. And then this Build-A-Bear box holds all my hats. And then this crate has all my socks, and then the one above that is more bags. And yeah, that's pretty much an overview of my closet. I also have this Owl City poster that I've had since like 10th grade. Alrighty guys, so that was my room. I hope you guys liked it. I really love how I move stuff around. I love how it looks, and I have a lot more space, like ground space, since my bed's not in the middle anymore. If you want to go watch my old room tour video, I'll leave it linked down below, or put it up here if I can figure out how to do that. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a comment down below what your favorite part of my room was. And if you're not subscribed already, then subscribe. I love you guys so much, and thank you so much for watching, and see you next video. Bye.